Okay, London session live. Got the London scanner all set up. I'm looking at USD Swiss signal day, but not fully set up yet. The rest don't see it that clearly, but USD Swiss I definitely see clearly. Higher time frame breakout levels all bearish, peak buys all bearish. Faked out the low, previous day low, and we're coming up and faking out the high. So right now, on these sort of days, what I'm looking for is a trend retracement. This move right here. I rely on these hard time frame traders to be pushing me down, but right now we've already faked out the low. So I'm no longer trading a trend retracement. We faked out the low, and I'm now looking at a fake out reversal. So right now we have a strong push on the daily, and on the daily, I'm looking for a retracement on the H8. So this is why I'm getting a fake out on the H8. This is what I'm looking for. And because we faked out that H8, I can now drop down to the M5 where I trade that H8 level. I trade the H8 bar in the M5. And what I'm looking for right now is for price to flip this H2 breakout level. And once it does that, then I can enter in this trade. So my setups are completely fractal. They work on every single time frame. Basically, I'm getting a fake out on the H8. And then on the H2, I'm looking for a false breakout. I want to see this, which flips the bias of the H2. So this is what I'm waiting for. Once this happens, then I can get in. But until we close below, I'm not interested. So we're just cross right now. I'm going to wait for 1 minute for a closure here. Okay, M5 closed. Pretty nice. This is what I want. Now I want to see some continuation right below this level. I can see the M15 breakout levels right here. It's actually at the exact same point, so I'll probably just wait until price gets below here. If we get below here, and then I see a close on the 5 seconds or 10 seconds, then I'll enter my position. Okay, we just triggered, pushing through. Good to see a 1 minute closure below, right there. Okay, got in on this move, and now I'm taking this down to previous day low. Let me see, previous day low with the daily open. One of these. Gonna see how it behaves over there, but otherwise that is it. This is my trade, and let's see what happens. Okay, trade's moving nice. Got stuck at the H2 low. If this starts to reverse, I'm gonna bail on this position and just take my profit. It's so close to my profit level that I might as well just end it. So how do I know when the M5 is reversing? I know the M5 is reversing when the M1 when the M1 flips its breakout level. There's 5 M1 bars and 1 M5 bar. So if I see an M1 momentum bar, this yellow bar, then I know that there's a possibility that the M5 is going to flip, and then I'm going to bail on the trade. So right now, anything can happen over here. I do want to see it come down a little bit more to daily open, or ideally to the previous day low. But if this reverses, then I'm going to bail on this. Okay, getting stuck there. If there's a little bit push, then I'm going to bail on this. Gets above that M5 and 10 seconds, 5 seconds closures, then I'm going to exit. So we're still below the M5. M5 is still bearish. Still no reason for me to exit. Let's see if the M1 can flip again. Okay, again, this is not a big move. This is going to be a small one-arm sort of move. But we are at a place where this can possibly flip. And I also don't really like to trade Swiss pairs that much. They tend to wick a bit. So I'm just going to take my profits and go if this gets above the M5 breakout level. But right now, it just popped up a little bit. This concerned me, but now it's back down. Let's see what happens here. Okay, we're almost at a place where you can flip the M5. If it closes above, I'm just going to bail on this. Just take that 1R and call it a session. Okay. Still did not do that, but basically if there's a closure above here, I'm going to Doesn't look too good, actually. Okay, looking for a 15 close above. Nope. 30 seconds close above. Okay, still no. Okay, you know what? I'm actually going to do something different. I'm going to put my stop loss down, go break even. I do think that this is going to continue on down. So I'm just going to go break even, and then that's it. Okay, exited my trade, went right to that daily open, and that's it. Started to reverse at that daily open, and that's okay. This is a level that I often will see some reaction. It might continue on, but I think I'm done with the session. All right, so that's it. Less than 10 minutes here. What I saw is a breakout, trend breakout, and then we have a fake out of the low. What I'm looking for on these days is a fake out of a high to take it down. In this case, it faked out that low, so I was trading a range, faking out the high down to that previous day low. Looks like it's going to continue on. And then dropped down to the M5, and I saw a breakout followed by a fake out. And what I'm trading on these bars is this, and this went pretty much picture perfect. We have the breakout level above, and then I'm looking for a fake out of the high. We got that, and I wanted to take it down to that fake out level. And it's going there right now. Got stuck a little bit at the daily open, and I just decided to bail on this move. I saw a range and didn't want to risk it. And so that is it. Done with the trade, about 1.5 hour, and moving on. Not going to take anything else. Happy with the profits I got today, and I'm done with London session.